Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets. Green color, red color, yellow color. The next one is black color, blue color, and the last one is brown color. Now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets. First we draw A, and now we use green color. A for apple. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. B for ball. Now we draw C. C for cat. The next one is D. D for doll. Now we draw E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish. Now we draw G. G for goat. The next one is H. Now we use red color. Now we draw H. H for hand. The next one is I. I for ice cream. We again use red color. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw L. L for lion. The next one is M. Now we draw M. M for moon. The next one is N. Now we draw N. N for nose. Kids, the next one is O. Now we use black color. Now we use black color and draw O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. We again use black color and now we draw Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. Now we draw R. R for rose. Now we draw S. S for sun. And the next one is T. Now we draw T. T for teacher. Now we draw U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Now we draw W. W for wolf. Kids, the next one is X. Now we use vermilion color. Sorry kids, this is not a vermilion. Is this a brown color? Now we use brown color and draw X. X for X-ray. And the next one is Y. Y for yolk. Now we draw Z. Z for zoo. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.